The PC 26.14 is a heart rate monitor that will help you train efficiently and effectively. This video will explain how to program the PC 26.14. The display is divided into three sections. The top section shows your current heart rate and lap number. The center section displays a full text description of the current function and the corresponding value. The lower navigation bar aids in quickly finding the function you wish to see. The PC 26.14 has 5 buttons: toggle minus, toggle plus, stop, start, and enter. Use these buttons to navigate through the menus and submenus. Use the enter button to access menu options and to confirm entries. The toggle plus button will scroll to the right through menu options. The toggle minus button will scroll to the left. If you are changing the value of an item, the toggle plus button will increase the value and the toggle minus button will decrease the value. The stop button takes you one level backwards within the menu structure. In training mode, press the stop button to pause or stop the training session. Press the start button to start a training session. During your training, press the start button again to mark a lap. If you pause a training session by pressing the stop button, press the start button to resume the session. The backlight feature of the PC 26.14 can be turned on by pressing the toggle minus and toggle plus buttons simultaneously. Once activated, press any button to illuminate the display. Press the toggle minus and toggle plus buttons simultaneously a second time to turn off the backlight. To program the PC 26.14, press the Enter button to open the main menu. Press the toggle plus button to scroll through the main menu options. Stop when you reach Setting. Press the Enter button. Press the toggle plus button to scroll to Device and select this option by pressing the Enter button. Here, you can program basic settings of the PC 26.14, such as language, date and time, tones, or contrast. Start by selecting the correct language. When language is displayed on the screen, press the Enter button to enter the setting mode. Then use the toggle plus or toggle minus buttons to select your language. Confirm your selection by pressing the Enter button. Press the toggle plus button to move on to set the date. Press Enter and adjust the values with the toggle plus minus buttons. Confirm with the Enter button. The same principles apply to setting the clock and alarm. In the Device Setting menu, you can turn the zone alarm on or off. The zone alarm is an audible alarm that will sound if you are above or below your target zone. If you are above your target zone, you will hear 3 short beeps every 20 seconds. If you are below your target zone, you will hear a longer beep. To prevent training sessions from being accidentally started, you can activate the key lock feature. When the key lock feature is on, press any button followed by the Enter button to begin using your PC 26.14. That completes the device settings. Press the Stop button to go back to the main settings menu. Press the toggle plus or minus buttons to scroll to User to personalize your PC 26.14. Press the Enter button, then set gender, birthday, and weight using the same principles as used in device settings. Once you have set the gender, birth date, and weight, the PC 26.14 can automatically calculate the maximum heart rate by choosing AutoCalc in the HR Max setting. If you prefer to define your own maximum heart rate, press the toggle plus button and select Manual Set. Change the value using the toggle buttons. Next, select the target zone that will help you achieve your goals. If you want to improve your physical fitness, select the Fit zone. If your goal is to lose weight, choose the Fat zone. If you choose the Fit or the Fat zone, the PC 26.14 will automatically calculate and display the upper and lower heart rate limits that correspond to the selected zone. You can also choose to define your own training zone. To create your own zone, simply enter a lower and an upper limit. You can create up to 3 specifically defined zones. If you prefer to train without a target zone, you also have the option to select Off. The PC 26.14 predefines 4 intensity zones. Intensity Zone 1 represents a recovery training zone. Intensity Zone 2 is for generic aerobic training. Intensity Zone 3 is for intense aerobic training. Intensity Zone 4 is for anaerobic training. After a training session, you can see how much time and what percentage of the workout was spent in each of the 4 intensity zones. We recommend that only advanced exercisers choose to manually adjust the intensity zones. To do so, select Intensity Zone 1 by pressing the Enter button. Set the lower value by pressing the Toggle Plus or Toggle Minus button. Confirm and move to the upper limit by pressing Enter. Set the upper value, then press Enter to confirm. Repeat these steps for the other intensity zones. You can customize your display by selecting Favorites in the main setting menu. Here, you can select the functions that you want to see during your training. Choose up to 2 functions per page and up to 9 favorites pages. If you select only one function on a page, it will be displayed larger. During a training session, you can view the favorites pages that you made. In this example, the page was set up with lap time on the top and stopwatch on the bottom. Use the Toggle Plus, Minus buttons to scroll through the different pages to see the functions that are important to your training. You have successfully programmed your PC 26.14. More information about the functions and features and how to program Sigma Sport products can be found on our microsites and our YouTube channel. Sigma Sport wishes you the best of luck achieving your fitness goals with your PC 26.14.